creating site definition. Using Studio project, we would like to now create a site definition, and with that definition, if a site is created, we would like to have certain lists to be automatically created, certain features to be automatically activated, and so on and on. So what I'll do is I'll probably take the existing project only, which I've been using since beginning of this particular chapter, Camel Power. To this I will add now a new item, that is site definition. Site definition. Right now, my custom site. Click on OK. Like team site is there. Now we are saying my custom site. Now my custom site has a default page, which probably if you want you can do some kind of branding. Welcome to the custom site. It has got its appropriate master page and so on. And then the most important is ownit.xml file. And in this ownit.xml file is where we would provide all the lists which we want, the site features which we want, the web feature. Basically in site features we are supposed to provide all the features at the site scope should be automatically activated, and here we should provide all the features at the web scope to be automatically activated. So like this we will have to provide the content. If these are the modules, of course module topic we haven't covered yet, that will come in the subsequent chapter. So in case we want to provision some modules, yeah, we'll have to provide here. So all the things which we want to provision into a site when a site is created using a ready-made site definition, we'll have to list it over here. So for demo what I'll do is, here this is one feature we already have, list feature. Let us now add one more feature, or let's add a new list, my announcements. Click on add. This is going to be announcement list. Like that I would like to have, that's it. I don't want to do any kind of customization here because we have taken a ready-made template. Like that probably I would like to add one more list, my calendar. Again taking it from the calendar list. Now my calendar, my announcement, I would like them to be part of a different feature. This is one feature which is at the site scope. Here everything is there. I don't want my announcement to be here. Remove it. Oh. My announcement, move. My calendar, move. So my announcement and my calendar are not part of this feature. For this I'll create a new feature. Custom lists. And in that feature I will move only, I will first give the scope as site, and then here I'll give announcement list and calendar list. So in one feature we have got some items of the project, and another feature we have got some other items of the project. Now every feature has an ID. This is custom list feature whose scope is site. Get the ID of this feature. How? Go to properties, and here we have feature ID. Copy this. Now go to site definition, ownit.xml, and site feature. We will add now a feature with so and so ID, and the name of the feature is custom lists. Like that we have another feature which is list feature. find out the ID of this, copy. Now go back to onit.xml and here add that feature. Name is equal to list feature. So like this, you may probably add some lists directly here. I am adding through list. I am adding those lists through a feature, but you can probably directly add a particular list if you want to, if you know the ID of it. You have to provide all the other attributes here. Type, URL, title, blah 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 story. Now, ideally what I suggest is, this is onit.xml of our site definition. Now what you can also do is go to program files, common files, Microsoft shared, web server extensions 15, and here we have just search onit.xml. You'll find in lot of folders. Site templates 15, template, site template. Okay, so back 15 template, and here we have site templates, and these are different site templates. Of course, when my feature is activated, that custom site template also will come over here only. So we can actually figure out what is the site template for team site. This is the site template for team site, and in the XML here we have onit.xml. Edit this, and you see when these are the navigation bars, list templates which are automatically activated, document templates. These features are the site features which are activated. These are, of course, these are site collection features. These are site features which are auto activated. So probably you may want to edit one of these onit.xml file based on your requirement and copy the content and paste it in your onit.xml file, the custom XML file, though I am not doing this right now. So like this, we have got lists, a list with this data is there by default data we want for the list, and so on. This is only for your reference, I just said. Now right click, deploy. So any one of the existing onit.xml file can be used for understanding the structure, and copying content from there to our onit.xml file would be good enough. So what we have done, let's refresh the page first here. What we have done, we created a new site definition, and that is my custom site. In my custom site, I am having two site features. These are both custom features, but you can probably use the predefined feature IDs and mention it here. Find out feature ID of different features and mention it here. Now once you have this, you can actually go to site contents, and in site contents you can say add a subsite. Here you should find my custom site. It is under tab customization because in the XML file, in this XML file, display categories, site Sharepoint customizations. That's why the tab here is given. And now my custom site. With this site template, I am creating a new custom site. This is going to create a custom site in which we'll see that, this software is already there by default. Then those features also will be automatically activated by default. Site feature, what is the name? Create software list using camera. It's automatically activated. So like this, lot of features. I mean, we can create our custom site definition in case routine site definition requirements are coming up from the employees of the organization. You can create as a custom site definition with the specified features and specified lists and so on. So this is how custom site can be created. Thank you.